Hi, Roberto. Short video to show you how to install this collection. First, primero, you want to go here and remove all the entries here, because they are going to be obsolete. So then you download the collection I sent you by email. You go to extensions, BoxUp, import collection. It will say you import collection. You find your downloads, and here is the collection. Select this folder, and it will start to import, and it will say you have imported 23 components and 17 materials. To access these components, you need to go to BoxUp, and then it will be right here. Let's just give it a go. So we want to put some. You can now go in and give it a size, maybe so. What you can do here is, let's add some shelves. I have here. Let's add 2. These will, by the way, I made your, as you want, 17 millimeters up here and 6 millimeter back panel recessed. Let's see here, and let's add your profile door. Doors, portas, profiles. Remember, this has to be in edit mode. You have to double click it to open it with the line around. Then you can add in new stuff. Now we can go to materials. See, now we have a sales cost price of 185 and a sales price of 337. Let's see here. We can take let's change it to gray. Cabinet, that's just a gray border there. Sensor, apply, and now you have a new price with the new things. You can also go in here, select attributes, change the profile, so, and you have a new calculation again. And you can basically the pricing, material attributes, then search GM, because I called all your new materials here GM. You can change them, of course, but let's say we have here gray. Now this is available. Gray is a sheet. Gray can use for panais caixa, panais frente. It has no material direction. It's available in 15, 18 millimeters, and this is the price. Let's change it to 350 for a price for a whole sheet. So, and let's go back and it still says the same until you redraw. No, it actually did update already. No, 245 with the change price. I don't know, there's a little bit wrong here because I'm doing screen recording. Anyways, you'll have in here also your profile prices. Let's search GM again. Oops. GM. Let's see, where do we have that? This is the Perfogola Aluminio, and here you put in the price for 3 meters. You can set waste factor and leading trailing material when for cutting, and it needs to be leaner. Whenever you change this, it changes to a sheet, but this is leaner, so that's the one you have activated. Also, you need to go to components and give them a price here. Dupladisa cost probably 2.5, and the shelf support Plastico probably, don't know, 0.2. Yeah, that should then, we need to redraw it and activate it again, and now it is 257 because now you have the price of the, you can always keep track of the prices in here. This is what will be calculated for all your models, not just this model here. And the same with the material attributes. These will be for all your models. Important thing is also, let's say you want to change the setting of this cashier. Let's say you want to add another option in here. Unfortunately, I can't do this when I'm screen recording, so I'll do something else. Let's go cancel. Let's take this one here. BMP would be thickness of panel. Let's say you want to add another one. Let's say you want to add 21 millimeters. And then you say 2.1 centimeters here. Apply. Now it's important that you save the component. Now you'll have a, actually, let me do this again. Let's get a new one. Let's go back here, have cashier, put in here, and let's say we want to add some options to this one. Let me try this again. Ah, that's how you do it. Let's say you want to add 120 or 105 or whatever. Let's add an option. This has to be centimeters over here. That's a SketchUp thing. And that would be 110 millimeters, centimeters. 150 millimeters. 115 centimeters and 120 millimeters. 120. Yeah. Let's apply this. Close this. And go and check if it works. And now you have new options in here. You can make it 120. And it will work for the doors and everything. Let's see, portas. Let's take another one here. Yep, so. And you get your lists. Oops. We need to select the whole thing. Here you have your lists with all your cutting. You have your details. And let's change this one to another front. Let's change it to, oops, front profile. Then in lists needs to be selected, so in here you get your profiles in linear list as a linear product along with your fitas, and you get a new price. So important thing now is that you've changed this cabinet here, so you will want to I'm just going to put it back to 600 millimeters because it's easier to see. So, and then you need to save it in here, and this is important, very muito importante. You cannot not use this one. This one will save the complete model. Whenever you have made changes to a component, you want to right click the component and choose this one here, save as. Then find your old one in your collection, that is this one, Caixa Inferior, and save. You want to replace it? Yes. Boom, let's try it. New. No, we are in a new and fresh one, so we'll drag in the component again and see if we have our new options, and they are down here. Yep, that is all. If you have any other questions, just send me an email. This is it. Nope.